Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to add a story to public profile on Snapchat app on Android device. Well, knowing how to add a story to your public profile on Snapchat allows you to share your content with a wider audience beyond your friends and followers. And adding a story to your public profile makes it visible to anyone who visits your profile, increasing your visibility and allowing more people to discover your content. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, after that, open your profile page at the top left corner, and then you can select public profile option here. Well, so now you can click this option to start upload your story to public profile, and then you can select a video or picture, and then click next. Okay, after that, set the title of your story, and then click finish. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to add a story to public profile on Snapchat on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.